gloves is one of the vital things you always put on before you do it. Put my gloves on. I will show you the right way when you start working inside. My gloves on. Check the area, it's clean. I'm safe now. Got my PPE. I go. Buddy, hey! Buddy, don't eat too hard. Buddy, just eat enough so you can feel. No reaction. Hey, now I must first check 3 things, A, B, and C, which I will teach you, but I'm just going quickly to, just so we can come to the defibrillator. I will check 3 things. His airway. Is his airway open so he can breathe? It's not open, so I will open it if it's not open. Okay? Then I will look, listen, and feel for breathing. I will look, listen, and feel. I look over his chest to see if it's going up and down. I listen, my ear to his mouth and nose to hear something, nothing, problem. I feel for heat coming out, nothing. Now I know he's not breathing. That means his heart has stopped. Okay? Before I go for CPR, which is this, I call for help. And I will say I call for help. I will say, what is your name? Mahmoud, please tell the DMT or tell the supervisor this is what's happening. Okay?
If I don't see anybody near, what I can do? Shouting? If I don't
You can shout. If you don't get reaction, don't do anything. Go get these things first. You can lay there, it's alright. But get your stuff. You're going to need stuff. While you get your stuff, you can somehow call somebody. Okay, but on the region on the ship, there will always be somebody in the area that you can call. You call for help. You tell that. Mahmoud, go man. Get me the AED, get me oxygen, get me first aid kit. Okay? Also, while you're there, get me some guys to come and help, just in case I must carry this guy. Now you got your help going, now you're feeling better, you know help is going to come now. Because once you tell your supervisor, you will activate, you will do all the things that must be done. You will call the captain, you will call the DMT, you will call everybody. Okay? Cool, here we go. Now here he comes with the AED. This is the AED. But very important, when you come with the AED, please, you come there, you tell the guy that's doing CPR here, you tell him,
how many counts?
I go on. You come
How
with
many
the
counts?
AED.
How many counts the person?
I will take you there, don't worry. Don't worry about it. What we're teaching now is the AED. CPR will come.
The solution, sir.
Okay, after this, I will take you CPR and we will put all of them together. Okay? When you come with your AED, you tell the guy here, that this is now your first aider, the guy that was first. I'm so busy here. You come, you say, hey, AED is here. I say, thank you, put it on for me. Okay, there's your AED. The first thing you do, when you go inside now, we will write it all down. First thing you do, first thing.
Low battery.
No battery.
See, that also tells you the
Apply
battery is low.
pads to patient's bare chest.
Just listen to it.
Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
Don't worry. On your dimmer, all these things are there. Just go to it.
Apply pads.
Okay.
Plug in connector.
Click off. So the first thing it says, what does it say? The first thing? What does it say? The
plug
first
is
thing,
connected.
no.
The plug is
Yeah.
connected. The plug is the plug.
Put in the plug.
Yeah.
Plug.